How to log in Shein app. So to log in into your Shein app, you have to make sure that you already have an account. You need to install the app. So head over to your respective app store, type in Shein, and make sure to install the app. Once you're done installing the app, click on the open button, and there you go. At the bottom right, you have this me section. You tap that out. First thing, you want to go ahead and select the location. So here it is, and you just want to go shopping. Now here it's going to ask you to turn on all these alerts. If you want to, then that's fine, or not, you could just go ahead and close this button. Now press the me button at the bottom right, and there you have sign in or register. You click on the sign in button. Since I already have an account, so I'm just going to use my email address, and then it's going to ask me to enter in the phone number. If you don't have it, so you could do this, and here you could see that I'm logged in successfully. And this is the simplest way you could log into your Shein account. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.